Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Cadillac. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This Cadillac has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.